Hey everyone, today we'll be taking a look at some awesome 2018 mid-year releases from Buck Knives, now available at KnifeCenter.com. With designs like the 112 Ranger and the 110 Folding Hunter, Buck has a legacy of some of the most famous and recognizable knives in history. And even though it's hard to beat the classics, Buck is not resting on their laurels. With the new 110 Slim and 112 Slim, they have modernized these icons with new materials, new construction, and made them more suitable for everyday carry in the 21st century. The standard 110 and 112 have always been great hunting and utility folders, but they do come in a bit heavier than many modern knives. That's no longer a problem for the Slim models. They still feature a sturdy lockback, but a set of lightweight scales replaces the traditional wood and metal bolster design. They also feature a deep carry pocket clip and dual thumb studs for easy one-handed opening, making them ideal for modern EDC. Additionally, the blades have been tweaked slightly. The hollow ground concave clip points on the classic models have always been good skinners. The Slim models still do this job well, but in order to make them better utility players, the new blades feature a straight clip point, offering good penetration and better tip control. As with most Buck offerings, you have your choice of Select and Pro models. The Select is the value option, featuring Buck's famous 420HC stainless steel and glass-reinforced nylon handles. Buck's Boss heat-treated 420HC offers a ton of performance for the money, but if you want something even better, step on up to the Pro. Featuring blades with S30V steel, they really go the extra mile. Add in your choice of either G10 or Micarta handle scales, and these age-old classics become new-age rock stars, and we absolutely love them. If you prefer the classic looks, but still want the modern materials, you can now get the 112 with nickel-silver bolsters, G10 scales, and S30V steel. The crown jewels of the lineup, though, are the new automatic versions of the 112. Hot on the heels of the wildly successful 110 autos, you can now get the same great action with the 112 Ranger Auto and the 112 Ranger Elite Auto. The standard version features the classic brass bolsters, wood scales, and 420HC steel, while the Elite upgrades to the snazzy nickel-silver, G10, and fantastic S30V. It's nice to see all of these classic Buck designs getting such a great makeover. With their new upgrades, they're more suited than ever for the modern day and will make an appealing addition to your EDC. To get your hands on any of these new Buck knives, click the link in the description below, and be sure to like and subscribe if you want to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com, and check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.